Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What are the ethical considerations when implementing automation technologies? Here are some ethical considerations to keep in mind when implementing automation technologies. Impact on jobs. Automation can lead to job loss, and organizations must consider the impact on employees and society as a whole. Bias and discrimination. Automated decision-making systems can perpetuate bias and discrimination, and organizations must ensure that they are fair and unbiased. Privacy and data protection. Automation technologies can collect and process vast amounts of data, and organizations must ensure that they respect individuals' privacy rights and protect their data. Accountability. Organizations must be accountable for the decisions made by automation technologies and the impact they have on individuals and society. How can you ensure that automation technologies are used responsibly? Here are some ways to ensure that automation technologies are used responsibly. Establish clear guidelines. Establish clear guidelines and policies around the use of automation technologies, including what tasks can be automated and how automation will impact jobs and employees. Conduct regular audits. Conduct regular audits of automated systems to identify any biases or issues that could impact decision-making. Monitor for unintended consequences. Continuously monitor automation technologies for unintended consequences and take corrective action when necessary. Provide training and education. Provide training and education to employees on how to use automation technologies responsibly and ethically. Involve stakeholders. Involve stakeholders, such as employees and customers, in the design and implementation of automation technologies to ensure that their needs and concerns are addressed. What are the best practices for data management in automation technologies? Here are some best practices for data management in automation technologies. Define data requirements. Define the data requirements needed for automation, including the format, quality, and frequency of the data needed. Ensure data quality. Ensure that the data used for automation is accurate, complete, and up-to-date. Maintain data security. Implement measures to ensure data security, such as encryption, access controls, and data backups. Automate data processing. Automate data processing to ensure that data is processed quickly and accurately. How can you ensure that data is accurate and up-to-date in automation technologies? Ensuring that data is accurate and up-to-date in automation technologies is crucial for their success. Here are some ways to ensure data accuracy and completeness. Conduct data quality checks. Conduct regular checks on data quality, such as identifying missing values, outliers, or duplicate data. Implement data validation rules. Implement data validation rules to ensure that data is entered correctly and follows predefined rules and formats. Use data profiling. Use data profiling to analyze data to identify inconsistencies and errors that could impact automation. Implement data governance policies. Implement data governance policies that outline data ownership, accountability, and quality standards. Automate data updates. Automate data updates to ensure that data is always up to date, reducing the risk of errors and delays. How can you ensure that data privacy regulations are followed in automation technologies? Here are some ways to ensure that data privacy regulations are followed in automation technologies. Identify applicable regulations. Identify the data privacy regulations that apply to your organization and the automation technologies being used. Implement data protection measures. Implement data protection measures such as encryption, access controls, and anonymization to ensure that data is protected and privacy is maintained. What are the best practices for integrating automation technologies with AI and other advanced technologies? Here are some best practices for integrating automation technologies with AI and other advanced technologies. Identify business needs. Identify business needs and goals that can be addressed with automation, AI, or other advanced technologies. Choose the right tools. Choose the appropriate tools and technologies that meet the specific needs of your organization. Ensure data quality. Ensure that the data used for automation and AI is accurate, complete, and up-to-date. Establish governance policies. Establish governance policies and procedures to ensure that automation and AI are used ethically and responsibly. Provide training and education. Provide training and education to employees on how to use automation, AI, and other advanced technologies effectively and responsibly. How can you ensure that automation technologies are aligned with emerging trends and technologies? Here are some ways to ensure that automation technologies are aligned with emerging trends and technologies. Stay informed. Stay informed about emerging trends and technologies that may impact automation, such as machine learning, blockchain, and the Internet of Things, IoT. Monitor the market. Monitor the market to identify new automation technologies that can enhance or complement existing solutions. Conduct research and development. Conduct research and development to identify and develop new automation technologies that align with emerging trends. Collaborate with industry experts. Collaborate with industry experts and thought leaders to stay up to date on emerging trends and technologies. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.